Hello students, today we will study nouns. My dear students, in your previous classes you must have studied what is noun and you are very well aware of this word noun. So students, noun is a word that indicates the name of a person, a place, a thing or an idea. In a simple language, I will say noun is a name of person, place or a thing. Okay students? Now there are two types of nouns. They are proper noun and common noun. Now students, what is proper noun? Now proper noun are words which refer to the particular name of people, places and things. Proper noun always begin with a capital letter. So proper noun always refer to a particular person, okay, or you can say to the particular name of people, places and things. Okay, and it always begins with a capital letter. Okay, my dear students, like for example, any city name. Okay, like for example, Neha is a name, place, Europe, anything like table. Okay, now here is an example you can see. The Mesopotamian civilization developed on the bank of the Tigris and Euphrates. See, this Mesopotamian civilization is a name. Tigris and Euphrates are also the rivers. Okay? Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, Jupiter. Okay? It's also a name. Okay, students? See, students, the proper noun can take name of people, days of week, months of year, names of towns, cities, streets, states and countries as well. Now, what is common nouns? Now, common nouns are the words that refer to persons or things of a same kind or general category. Okay, it is not specific. It is saying of a general category, means it is not any specific category. It's of general thing or of a same kind. Okay, general category, general thing or of a same kind. Here you can see the example. The students here is a general. For example, when the teacher enters in class, she says, students, pay attention. So students means all of them, not any particular. Any particular means she may call by calling out the name Neha or Raj. That will be particular. But common means here students is common. Okay, so the students listened attentively while the teacher word is a common. It is not any particular. Any particular may be Ankita teacher or Neha teacher. No, Ankita, Neha will be particular. But here teacher is a common. Explain the problem. Problem is also common. Now another, he owns a shop. Shop is also common, not any particular shop. If we are talking about particular, we can say medical shop, okay, or any other electronic shop. So he owns a shop on the main street Street name is not written over here, so it is also general. Of the town is also general. General, or you can say common. Okay, because here he owns a shop on the main streets of the town. Shop, streets, town are common noun. Okay, it is showing in general, it is common, it is not any specific, or it is not indicating to any specific shop or street or noun. Okay, students, so that's why it will be called as a common noun. Now, students, let's see some common nouns and proper noun. Now, common nouns are river, mountain, girl, boy, and state. Now, proper noun can be Godavari, okay, Kaveri. Now, mountain, here it is common noun. The Himalaya is proper noun. Kailash is proper noun. Now, common noun, as I told, girl. Now, proper noun can be Nandini, Neha, Niharika. Boy, here it is Vivek. Any other boy name can be Rahul, Nitin. State, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, any state. Okay, students. Now, countable noun and uncountable noun. Common noun can be classified into countable and uncountable nouns. Now, what is countable noun, dear students? Countable nouns are names of things that can be counted. They can be singular or plural. Okay, so countable noun are the things which can be counted, which you can count, and they can be either singular or plural. Now, see the examples given here. In our class, there are 20 boys and 12 girls. Now, 20 boys and 12 girls, it can be counted. In our classroom, there are 32 chairs and 2 cupboards. Now, 32 chairs and 2 cupboards can be counted. How 32 chairs and 2 cupboards? Means you have counted, that's why it is 32, right? And here cupboard is 2, right? Now, a singular noun is a name of single person or thing. Now, what is singular noun? Singular noun is a name of single. Singular means single person or a single thing, like volcano, satellite, or any other thing. Okay, volcano, satellite, Uttar Pradesh is singular, right? Any other name any other name which is singular. Okay, now plural noun is a name of more than one person or a thing. As plural indicates, it is a name of any person or a thing more than one, like emperors, fountains, then we can say mountains, girls. So these are, okay. Now, uncountable nouns. Now, what is uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are name of things which cannot be counted. Now, uncountable noun, which are those which we cannot count them. They do not have singular or plural form. Okay, countable noun, we can count them and they do have singular and plural noun, but uncountable noun, they cannot be counted and they do not have singular or plural form. Now, see, I have curd every day in summer. Now, curd you cannot count. Now, please add more sugar to my coffee. Sugar cannot counted and coffee cannot counted. Here it is highlighted with a bold black, so it means they cannot be counted. Okay, buy some bread when you go out. Now, bread you cannot count. Okay, You cannot count. Now, see here, students. We can indicate the quantity of uncountable nouns in two ways. Now, we can indicate. We can, though here bread you cannot count, but a loaf of bread you can say. Okay. Though coffee you cannot count, but you can measure the quantity, like a cup of coffee, 1 cup, 2 cup, 3 cups. Okay, so here we can indicate the quantity of uncountable nouns in two ways. First, with units of measurements such as liter and kilo. Example: 2 kilos of sugar, 5 liters of water, 2 loaves of breads. See, I told you 1 kilo of sugar. Though you cannot count sugar, but in quantity you can count, like 2 kilos of sugar, 5 liters of water, and 2 loaves of bread. So here, like this, you can count it in quantity. Okay, so we can indicate, we cannot count those, but with through the quantity we can know. Through the quantity we can count and we can also know. So we can indicate these quantity of uncountable nouns. We can indicate and we can know, like how many kilos, 1 kilos of sugar. How many loaves of bread? You can say 1 loaf of bread. Okay, yeah, 5 liters of water. Now, with words such as little, a little, some, and much. Okay, like through this also, through these words such as little, a little, some, and much, we can also indicate the quantity of uncountable noun, like a little rice. When you eat, you say your mommy, no, give me a little rice. So here you can indicate the quantity. Much happiness, you cannot count happiness, but you say much happy. Some juice, give me some juice in glass. Okay, students? Thank you, students.